Hello guys, and welcome back to my tech tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how you guys can fix the Xbox error code 0x803f8001. Do you own this game or app? So the first thing you guys can try doing is just click on the Xbox logo on your controller. From here you want to go down to profile and system, and then you want to scroll down until you see sign out. So sign out, sign back in, and you can check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method you guys can try doing is heading over to settings. From settings going down to accounts, from account going down to remove account, and then go ahead and remove your account and then add it back in, and you can also check to see if that fixes the issue as well. The third method you guys can try doing is heading over to general. From general go down to network settings, and then from network settings what you guys can do is go down to advanced settings. So from advanced settings you're basically going to choose the primary and secondary DNS options, and then you're going to change the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and the secondary DNS to 8.8.8.4. Or sorry, 8.8.4.4, so 8844, and the first one is going to be just all 8s. But anyways, once you do that, you should be good to go, and you can go ahead and either restart your console or turn it off, and then you can turn it back on, and then you can check to see if that fixes the issue as well. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.